on one side we have the sunrise there, and just over here we have the fishermen pulling the seine net into the boat. There's a lot of mist out there. Oh, oh, the temperature has dropped quite a bit. Sunrise is still playing out. This net has been in the water for 14 years. This may be the last time some people ever see this net on shore again. If it goes out there for another lot of years. Prepare it now so that when they're ready to drop it, it drops properly. That sky is a marvel. It's a wonder to behold. I mean, over there, it looks a bit like, is it Neptune? Not Neptune, Saturn. The different colours of the sky.